No. Drake's lawyer fights deposition subpoena at the trial. So let's see.
The actual order itself, Judge, doesn't give any reference to what the penalties would be if Mr. Graham failed to show for that deposition. I don't even think we need to get there. I think that the affidavits attached to the motion are insufficient. I don't believe that an order to show cause is appropriate, given the lack of foundation in the petition. There's not only missing pages, but the things that are attached to it, the affidavits that were filed, were insufficient to warrant an order to show cause. So I don't think we need to get to the point where I would argue that even the service itself didn't go down the way that it was stated that it went down. I don't think we need to get into an evidentiary issue at this point, because I don't think the affidavits rise to the level of an order to show cause. And then if an affidavit if a subpoena for deposition is going to be reissued, then upon that reissuance and that possible service, then we would have an argument as to the harassing nature of it. Because at this point, I think you have a cooperating witness that corroborates that Mr. Graham has nothing to do with this case. Mr. Graham is not listed in any report. Mr. Graham, I don't believe has been discussed whatsoever in this case, to my knowledge, other than rumor and innuendo. And I believe that if I was hired earlier, I would have probably filed a motion to quash that deposition itself. Because like I said, there needs to be some good faith showing. At least, his phone was in the area. He was in the state of Florida at the time. There's some sort of communication. There's something. And there's absolutely no evidence whatsoever other than rumor and innuendo. And the problem is that someone could come take the stand and say, Elvis needed to do it. You can't go then take Elvis's depo. Well, you can't anyways, but I'm just giving you an example. That doesn't rise to the level of now I get to take someone's depo because this individual said, someone made me do it.
So the lawyer, that's Drake's lawyer right there, basically coming up. They don't like, they're trying to subpoena Drake, and it's like, bro, there's just no reason to even do this because, like I stated before, bro, this has nothing to do whatsoever with Drake. And even then he even points to the fact that you got the big guy up there literally saying he's telling the whole goddamn story, the big homie. And matter of fact, that's what I really wanted to look at, because I wanted to talk about him, but homie's up here telling everything, bro. And Drake's not at all being spoken of or being brought of about this, so there's no reason to bring Drake on here, man. These cats, they